Hey, this is Tom with Peace of Mind Property Management, and today I want to talk to you about when do you replace your carpet in your rental home. This is a tricky little question here because a lot of it depends on the condition of your home and also the subdivision. If you're going for top dollar for your rental home, I suggest that you replace it every few years or every few tenants. You can also do how good is your carpet. So a lot of it depends on how soiled it is, what the neighborhood is, and when it looks bad. I would definitely try to go at least 1 or 2 tenants, and I would do my best to always have your tenants or your residents do a carpet cleaning. I mean, I think it's just essential after every resident you do a carpet cleaning. What I would never do is I would never replace the carpet while they have the same resident, unless that resident's maybe been in the property for over 10 years, which is rare, but generally speaking, I would never replace the carpet. If you have any questions about that, a really good trained and experienced property manager is the best one to look at. So if you have a rental property, you would like for us to look at your property, we could take a look and tell you if we think you need to replace the carpets or not. Thanks.